Hey everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to collaborate on code with Codeium. Codeium's feature can enhance your collaborative coding experience, making it easier to work together with your team. So let's get started. First, make sure everyone on your team has the Codeium extension installed and activated in their code editors. If anyone has not installed it yet, check out my previous tutorial on how to install Codeium. Now open your code editor and start a new project or open an existing one where you want to collaborate using Codeium. Now set up a collaborative coding session using a tool like LiveShare in VS Code. This allows multiple team members to work on the same code base simultaneously. As you and your team members start coding, Codeium will provide real-time suggestions for code completions. These suggestions will appear in the drop-down menu next to your cursor. Now discuss the suggestions provided by Codeium with your team. Decide together with which suggestion to accept by selecting tab or enter button. This collaborative decision-making process can lead to better code quality. Now leverage Codeium's intelligent code completions to reduce the amount of boilerplate code you need to write. This not only speeds up development but also ensures that your code follows best practices. Use Codeium to flag potential issues and errors in real time. Discuss these flagged issues with your team and decide on the best course of action to resolve them. Take advantage of Codeium's documentation suggestions to ensure your code is well documented. Proper documentation is crucial in a collaborative environment to maintain clarity and understanding among team members. Customize Codeium's settings to fit your team's workflow. Adjust the number of suggestions, trigger settings, and documentation preferences to streamline your collaborative coding experience. Regularly review and refactor your code with Codeium's insights. It can suggest improvements and optimizations, helping your team maintain a clean and efficient code base. And that's it. By using Codeium in your collaborative coding sessions, you can significantly improve your team's coding efficiency and communication. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.